If you want to crop a video in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to import your clip, find the crop tool, and trim your video down to the exact area you want to keep. Cropping is super useful when you want to remove unwanted edges, focus on one part of the frame, or adjust your video for a cleaner look. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and make sure you subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel and it tells me to keep making more step-by-step videos for you. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC and start a new project if you haven't already. Then, import your video into the media section. Once your video is imported, drag and drop it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll do all of your editing. Now click on the video clip in the timeline to make sure it is selected. You should see it highlighted, which tells you CapCut is ready to apply editing changes to that specific clip. This step is important because if the clip is not selected, the crop tool may not work the way you expect. Next, look at the toolbar above the timeline. You should see a crop icon there and it usually looks like a small square or a box with corners. Click that crop icon to open the cropping window. Once the cropping window appears, you'll see a rectangle around your video. This rectangle controls what part of the video will stay visible. You can drag the corners or drag the edges of the rectangle to resize it and choose the exact area you want to keep. If you want to remove parts from the sides, top, or bottom, simply adjust the box until the frame looks right. Take your time here and make small adjustments. Cropping is all about framing, so move the selection until the important part of your video is centered and the unnecessary parts are cut out. If you're making a vertical video, social media clip, or a more focused shot, this is where you can make the composition look much better. After you're happy with the crop area, confirm the change by clicking the apply or checkmark button, depending on the version of CapCut you're using. Once applied, your clip will be cropped on the timeline and you can preview the result in the player window. If the crop doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can always click the clip again and reopen the crop tool to make more adjustments. That's one of the best things about editing in CapCut PC. You can keep refining the video until it looks exactly how you want. And that's it. You've now learned how to crop videos on CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. Import your video, place it on the timeline, select the clip, open the crop icon, and adjust the rectangle to keep only the part you want. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.